today's episode, I'm going to show you how to quickly navigate throughout the new Relic platform using both keyboard shortcuts and our improved Quick Find feature. Observability tools need to be fast, so when you need us the most during an incident, you can quickly navigate and search to easily find the data that you need. Hovering over the various capabilities in my global navigation bar, I can see tooltip pop-ups indicating the keystroke combinations available for each one. Under the Help menu, I can find a cheat sheet of keyboard shortcuts, which coincidentally, I can also open at any time with the question mark key. The resulting slide out gives me the full list of currently available combinations, including the Pinned Capabilities option, which aligns with your top 9 capabilities in vertical order on your own personal global navigation toolbar on the left. Back in our main UI, I can use the Command+K shortcut to open the Quick Find feature, which is now capable of searching across all entities and capabilities to give you immediate access from an intuitive search based on the name of your target. Searching for e-commerce, I can see the top results are a number of dashboards and workloads. You can use arrow keys to select the item of interest, and then the Command+Return combination will open the selection in a fresh tab. On my workload homepage, I can see a potential issue with the AppDex score of my billing service. So let's use the Command+K option again to open my Quick Find and then search for the string query so I can open up my UI to do a bit of research into this service. When you have the new NURCL console enabled in your user preferences, you also have the option to open it at any time with Ctrl+Shift+O. This allows you to run quick ad hoc queries without losing context of the page you started on. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that the new capabilities we've added will help your joyful and speedy interactions with our platform.